Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are comparing two apps, and they are Blaze AI and Appypie AI. Let me start with Appypie AI. Appypie AI is an AI-powered no-code platform for quickly building websites and apps, while Blaze AI is a content creation system designed for marketers and creators to streamline and scale content production, especially for social media and video. The best choice, that is which one you should choose, depends on your goal. Use Appypie to create digital products like apps and websites, and use Blaze AI to generate and manage marketing content like posts, ads, and videos. Now, you can choose Appypie if you want to build apps or websites without coding, you want to rapidly launch digital products, you want to utilize a user-friendly interface for building. That's basically what you use Appypie for. While Blaze is for creating various content formats, including social media posts, ads, videos, blogs, and emails. For repurpose content efficiency, for repurpose content efficiently, and then to manage and plan content within a unified workflow. It's also used to benefit from multi-language support for a wider audience. And lastly, to access AI-powered brainstorming for content ideas. How to use Blaze for. So what's the key difference? Well, the primary focus of Appypie is building digital products, while Blaze AI focuses on content creation. So how do you use them? You can use both of them. How? You can use Appypie to create a product and use Blaze AI to market that product or any other content. So Appypie produces websites and apps, while Blaze AI produces text and video content for marketing. Hope you found this video helpful.